Welcome to the first episode of the E46 M3 project that will be taking place on this channel. The first project being removing this 5-year-old vinyl, which is Avery Dennison Gloss Dark Gray. We'll also discuss some of the other projects, and let's get started. Alright, we'll go ahead and start on the roof here, which I did in gloss black. Of course, use your key, pop off the rain rail. Comes right out. I'm just going to leave this wrapped for now. I wrapped this myself. I plan on wrapping this again. I'm just not ready to go back to the blue. I do love this color, don't be wrong. I had it corrected before I wrapped it. As best it could be anyway. The roof, however, is looking pretty good. And as you can see, this really just comes off just like a sticker. There's a couple little areas I've noticed that the adhesive has kind of left behind on the paint, which Avery did say their 5 years is kind of when the adhesive could start failing, as in it'll stick here rather than remaining on here. All right, so far the gray is coming off just as easy as the black. No adhesive failure, no clear coat peeling, so pretty satisfied overall. A lot of the remaining removal is gonna have to start with trim removal. Here you can see damage done to the wrap from the sun and possibly mold. This probably started sometime in year 3. Alright, next up we're going to be taking off the mirrors. There's a couple bolts under that plastic piece right there. Unfortunately, the connector that powers the mirror is behind the door panel, so we gotta start there. Alrighty, so there's 5 screws and a few plastic clips that hold this panel on. I've removed those and unpopped it, so now we can pull this away. And now we have access to the electric connector. Alright, here I'm removing the door trim, and as you can see, I've also taken off that plastic cover, exposing these 2 screws. Alright, that takes care of most of the trim. We'll go ahead and start taking off the rest of the wrap. All right, most of the wrap is now off. I still got to take off this rain rail trim. I did wrap under it when I did it. We'll get that some other time. I got to take it off and redo these pieces there. As far as the paint goes, the plastic, as far as the bumper and front bumper, really got sun damaged in Arizona here. You can see that the clear coat is toasted. That's not from the wrap. That's actually some sticker left behind from the wrap though. A couple spots it left a little bit of sticker. Not too bad, Goo Gone will take care of it. Yeah, the front bumper and really the fenders and hood have a lot of rock chip damage. Before I wrapped it, I sanded it. The rock chips were so bad in that lower area, just to make it smooth. Eventually I'll repaint this car as far as correcting it, making it Interlagos blue all over again, but we're not there yet. Once again, still haven't decided on the wrap color I'm gonna end up doing, but we'll probably wrap it again here, just for some fun. Various other things to take care of. Probably change the headliner again. I've done 3 different colors in there. I just like having something a little different. And yeah, what's coming on the channel? Some various boring stuff like that, but mostly we got rod bearings. These are gonna be OEM bearings that are going in. 152,000 miles on the M3 right now, so we'll see what those original bearings look like. I've not had any issues. I warm up my car all the way before I ever go really over 4,000 RPMs, pretty much every single time I drive. The previous owner did the same thing, so we'll see. Also need to do brakes. It is the ZCP, so I'm just gonna keep them the ZCP brakes. Maybe one day I'll upgrade them, but for now, they're good enough. And clutch, flywheel, pressure plate, fork, stainless steel pivot pin, rebuild the manual transmission, new springs and stuff for the detent pins, throwout bearing, all that kind of stuff. That'll be coming up next, and then we'll see what else is in store. Thank you everyone for tuning in to episode 1. We'll catch you next time.